Samsung has recently introduced two new smartphones to its lineup, the Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35. While they may not offer the same level of sophistication as the Galaxy S24, they pack quite a punch in terms of features and affordability. Let's delve deeper into what each device brings to the table to help you decide which one suits you best. Firstly, let's talk about the displays. Both the Galaxy A55 and A35 sport large 6.6-inch screens with vibrant displays that adjust brightness according to ambient lighting conditions. Available in four stunning colors: ice blue, lilac, navy, and lemon. These phones are designed to stand out. In terms of design, both phones share similar aesthetics, with rounded edges and a triple camera setup on the back. However, there's a slight difference in build materials, with the A55 featuring a metal frame and the A35 opting for a plastic frame. Moving on to performance, the Galaxy A55 is powered by the Samsung Exynos 1480 chipset, while the A35 houses the Exynos 1380. The Exynos 1480, introduced alongside the Galaxy A55, offers improved efficiency and performance compared to its predecessor, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. Battery life is crucial for any smartphone user, and both the A55 and A35 deliver in this department with the 5,000 mAh battery capacity. Additionally, they support 25V fast-wired charging, ensuring you can quickly juice up your device when needed. When it comes to photography, the Galaxy A55 takes the lead with its impressive camera setup. It boasts a 50MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 5MP macro camera, along with a high-resolution 32MP front camera for stunning selfies. On the other hand, the A35 offers a similar primary and macro camera setup, with slightly lower quality ultra-wide and front cameras. Both phones support 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, allowing you to capture every moment in stunning detail. The Galaxy A55 and A35 are now available in select regions, with pricing starting at around $564 for the A55 and $435 for the A35, depending on the storage configuration. In conclusion, if you're looking for a smartphone that offers a balance of performance, camera quality, and affordability, the Galaxy A55 is the way to go. With its metal frame, superior chipset, and impressive camera capabilities, it's a device that ticks all the boxes. With this comprehensive overview, you now have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more tech updates. Until next time, peace out.